Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and permanently delete your Google account? Well, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, open any browser that you prefer using and simply go ahead and search for accounts.google.com, just like that. And as you can see, I'm already in my account. And now all I need to do is simply go ahead and head into personal information. And then I can simply go ahead and click on get help. And then this is where I can simply go ahead and look for delete account. So I'm just going to write delete account and enter. And then as you can see, the AI bot is going to respond to me by giving me a link. So look at that. It says before deleting, review these information, and then just write yes. And finally, it's going to give you a link. So as you can see, it's going to say you're going to confirm that it is your account and click on delete my Google account. And there you go. You're going to be taken to this page where you want to simply go ahead and verify that it is you. And once you've done that, it's going to simply go ahead and ask you for a reason, enter your password, and that is it. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.